This video we're going to take apart a 6-volt lantern battery. It's really easy to do if you have one of these big old wrenches. Of course I screw it up right away, but just pop it all the way around. And maybe one more time here. And it's all the way ready to just come apart. With a little persuasion. Oh my. You can see this one's giving me some difficulty because I'm trying to film it. There we go. I'm really new to YouTube, by the way. And this one's wired together differently than ones I've seen in the past. They used to have little caps over each battery and they were soldered together. Now they have these little springs on them. So that's interesting to know. Maybe they're put together better too. We're just going to try not to short this and that, I guess. All I'm looking to get out of here is one carbon rod. Now, normally I didn't have to tear these so far down to get that out of there in the past. I'm actually watching myself film this as I do this. This is one of my first videos here. Bear with me, please. There we go. That's actually pretty nice. The way it's wired together. Oh, I can't really pull them out that way, though. And the carbon rod pops out pretty easily. Pop. And that's all I want. Inside of there is a bunch of manganese dioxide, a paper separator, and then this zinc can here. The zinc's useful in some projects, but it's really hard to get the manganese dioxide off of it, and I prefer not to use it. Sometime later I'll go after the other 4 rods, but this is the end of the video now.